Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A10, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that you will need, which is this SIM eject tool. They come provided in a box with the device, and if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip. I just straighten it out. This at one point was a paper clip, so this will work just fine as well. But once you have that ready, you can proceed to push out the tray, which is located on the upper left side right here. You can see it kind of popped out a little bit, so you want to just take out the entire tray, and from here you have access to two different SIM trays and an SD tray. So just place both of them on there like so. Make sure that they are laying flush on there, and then while holding it securely, you want to slide it back in there, and it should now give me the pin for the SIM card. So let me just put that in. Okay, so there's the SIM card and also the SD card, or is it right here? So you can see both of them are working. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.